Let's look at another example where we round to the nearest hundred. So in this example, we're asked to round each number to the nearest hundred and then mentally add or subtract the numbers. In this case, it's a subtraction question. So we first have to round each number to the nearest hundred. What are the numbers that are in the hundreds place? Well, here's the ones, here's the tens, here are the hundreds. So we have to do something to the 5 in 589. And we have to do something to the 2 here in 221. How do we decide what to do to the 5? Well, we need to look at the number next door. The rule is, if the number next door is 5 or more, we have to add 1 to the 5. If it's less than 5, we leave the 5 alone and don't change it. Well, the 8 is definitely more than 5, so we have to add 1 to the 5 and round up. So it becomes a 6. All the other numbers become zeros because we're rounding to the nearest hundred. 600 is now 589 rounded to the nearest hundred. All done. Now 221. How do we figure out what we're going to do with this 2 in the hundreds place? Well, we look next door. This 2 here is less than 5. That means we don't touch the 2. We have to leave it alone. It stays a 2 and doesn't change. So we have 600 at the top and 200 at the bottom. 200 is 221 rounded to the nearest hundred. Great! Now we need to subtract them. We can do that in our minds. 600 minus 200 is 400. That can be done in your mind, right? It's like saying, I have 6 cookies. Take away 2 cookies is 4 cookies. 600, take away 200 is 400. So here in summary is what we did. 589, we had to do something to the 5. So we looked at the number next door. It was more than 5. It was an 8. So we have to add 1 to 5 and it becomes a 6. In 221, we looked next door. The 2 there was less than 4, so we don't change that 2. It stays a 2. Then we did our subtraction. 600 minus 200 is 400.